Welcome guys to Hopper 3. It's a very cool platforming game where I have to make it to the top of the mountain. And just to say that it's a very cool game. It can be tough from time to time. It can be tough. It can be difficult. But yeah, it's definitely the part I got stuck in and I could not beat it completely, have no clue why. And just to tell you guys that just a second ago I recorded that 11-minute long video of this game, 11 minutes long, only to realize that my video had no audio and I have to redo it now. My video had no audio, and I just did a test a second ago to see if it does have audio. So I just did another test and it does definitely have audio, so it should have audio as well. You can't hear the sound, but I can hear the sound actually, because I got headphones in. But you can't hear the sound, but I can hear the sound. Oh my days, I ran straight through that, so I have to collect these points. And there's a part in the game that I got stuck in. I got stuck in this part because I could not get fit through this tiny gap. Okay, make it to the top. So I thought of a good way to celebrate New Year's is to make a good game video for you guys so you can enjoy yourself. So I decided to play something good for you. So yeah, by the way guys, I've got a question for you. Which games do you prefer? Which games will you prefer better? Platforming games or racing games? For me, probably platform games. Sometimes it's changed to racing, sometimes to platforming. But for you, what would you prefer? For me, probably platforming games. For you, do you prefer platforming games or racing games? Just let me know in the comments below if you prefer platforming games or racing games. Just these two, which ones would you prefer? Okay, make it stop. Hopper. Okay, there's a part that was stuck in. This is why I figured out why I could not beat this game before, because there's a part that was stuck in. I'm not sure what this part was before. Okay, he's going to start now. Okay. 53 times 10 530. Okay, I know that. Okay. I just recorded 11 minutes long video that had no audio. I knew that the gameplay video had no audio. The game had no audio, but I had no commentary audio. That's what I'm talking about, so I have to redo it. I just checked this. I just did the test before. I can go. Oh no! Days. I through this. Oh my days! No. Oh my. Oh, I remember before. No, oh days. Okay. Make it through. Make it through, guys. Oh my days. No, I'm stuck. Guys, I'm scared right now. No, days. Well, you can keep jumping. Okay. Okay, now. Carefully make it, okay. Right. Ooh, got 22 lives. I'll be extremely careful now. I'm going to show you the part I got stuck in. Because I want to show you guys, in this game, the part where I got stuck in. And I don't think this part's actually beatable, perhaps. Probably it's an error. I have no clue, but I cannot beat that part. And it's not because of the enemies. It's not because of dangerous obstacles or anything like that. It's different. Okay. Right, so, okay. I think I actually beat this level quicker than I did in my last video I just did. Okay, good. Good right now. So, yeah. A good way to celebrate the new year is to play this game. It's cool, that's why. Okay. Got life there. Okay. There's actually a realistic version of this, I believe. There's actually 3 realistic versions. There you go. 3 now. And it says Hopper 3 there. That's just my life. Don't get confused with this. Alright. Make it to the end. Level 6. I can count the top points. That's why I know I'm level 6. And plus it tells you that you're level 6. Oh, because I'm scared. Never mind. This person got 3 lives. I want to keep them safe. Okay, I'm going to show you the part I got stuck in. I'll be amazed if I actually beat this part now for this video. Alright. Is it this level? I don't remember. No, it's not this level. I think it's like about this level. I think it's after like 2 more levels. It's the one with the spikes, actually. Yeah, the one with the spikes, the one with the big star as well. So, yeah. So, okay, so there's the one with the, guy, okay, just don't rush. Because in platforming games, the thing that gets you, the reason why you might die in the platforming games is because you rush. So don't rush too much. Let us maneuver our way around, let him spin 4 times to prove to ourselves that I'm patient. So just prove to myself that I'm patient. I can spin 4 times around and get the star. Looks like the same star from Mario Bros. Actually. No, I think that's the Mario Bros. Star is different. It has a face actually. The star from Super Mario Bros. Actually has the face. So you guys look. These top spikes are special. These top spikes are special actually. They don't kill me. Look at that. They do not kill me. And collect these. Oh wow, look at this. Oh no. Okay. No, carefully. Now let's just let him go around. I think now will be the best time. Okay, no, it's best time if you just let him go. Oh my days. How many days I think got me killed? I got stuck on this. Okay. I think it's this. I think it's after this level. I think so. I don't remember. I think so. I do not remember. No, I remember now. It's definitely after this. Oh, look at this massive star. Oh, this is a giant enemy, guys. Look at this. It's like a good platforming game, but still, look at this. Oh, it is cool. I think it is after this. I think it's this one. Okay, that's a cool one though. Yes, it's this, definitely this level. Now let me show you guys why I don't believe this game's actually, why I could not beat this game. No. Okay. Just take your time. Take your time. Let me show you why I could not beat this game. Okay, this is the reason. This is the level why. Oh my days, I almost died on this. Alright, okay. I think I have to go to the top actually somewhere, but now look. Let me just make sure actually quickly that there's no secret gaps. But now look at this, I can't get through there now, yeah, you see. And now, this is now the reason why I cannot beat this level. You can now see that I'm stuck in this part. So yeah guys, yeah, that's the end of this video now because I cannot proceed in this level. I tried making him flat, he goes flat from time. Like this, and that it also did not work. I did this in my, like right now, also does not work. So yeah, this is the reason why I cannot beat this level is because this city section right here. And I have to go through the same to go on top. Perhaps the star is right on top of the center, the blue square there. So that's the reason why. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hope it was a good way to make the last video for this year. Hope this was a good way to do it. Yeah. More gameplay videos will be coming later on. See you later, guys. Bye.